Hi friends, click on subscribe button to support me and hit on bell icon so you can get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhilash back. So today I'm going to show you how to replace a headlamp of any car. So I mean to say now I'm showing this in Maruti Suzuki Alto. Like Maruti Suzuki looks similar, same. So you can see there's a small lamp which is burning, but the main headlamp is not burning. When coming to the other thing, you can see here this headlamp is burning. So I have a spare lamp over here, so it's a new one. Okay, and you can see the one side it's burning and the other side the lamp is not glowing, so it's time to just remove it. So here is the plug. I have to just open the bonnet and you'll find here. And before that guys, I like to thank you everyone to helping me in reaching 25,000 plus subscribers. So I need your continuous support so I can upload more and more videos. And if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe and help me in uploading more and more videos. So first thing, you have to turn off your engine. So I've just turned it off, and I hope you can see here this is the plug which holds the bulb. You have to remove it. Okay, so I have removed the plug, and here is the bulb. So to make sure the issue is with the bulb or the controller, you have to test it. So I'm gonna just take a bulb and just place it and check. So you can see this is how you can check it. So you can see, okay, the bulb is glowing. It means the bulb is issue is with the bulb. Okay, the new bulb is glowing, and it's time to remove this rubber cover. You can see here I just removed this rubber cover, and there is a pin over there. I have to hold the pin. So you can see the pin over here. This is the pin. Just press it. Let me try to show this. So you can see over there the pin. This is the pin which holds and locks here. To just press this, take the pin out, and it releases the bulb. Hold the bulb, take the bulb out. So think, I don't know why it's not glowing up, but I'm gonna take a new bulb. Okay, this is a new bulb. Looks similar. Z3, this is E6. Okay, so it's time to see the slot over there, because this has a mark. So you can see 1, 2 and 3. According to that, I'm gonna set and place the bulb. I have placed the bulb. So you can see there's a spring here, so I just showed. Just gonna press this and lock the bulb. So you can see now it's locked. It's time to, okay, the rubber thing fell down. So it's time to cover the rubber. So yeah, I'm gonna just cover this rubber. Okay, so it's covered now. So you can see all the 3 pins are visible. The rubber is covered. So this is mainly used to avoid moisture, like inlet water inside. So this rubber will avoid the water. So now I'm gonna just put the same plug over here. You see the direction. Press it hard so it holds. Okay, now we can see both the bulbs are glowing now. I've replaced this bulb. So guys, hope this video was useful to you, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and help me in uploading more and more videos. I need your suggestion, help, so I can improve my channel. So thank you so much for watching this. It's a simple way to replace the bulb. No need to take to the garage or no need to contact a mechanic. You can do it yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and click on bell icon if you're watching for the first time. Thank you so much.